Hello guys, today we'll be looking at Aster coin. If you notice, it was launched recently and it's actually doing well. But will this Aster coin reach 2.8 or 3.0 in the nearest time? So follow me to the end of this very video so that you will be able to understand either Aster is good to invest, either Aster will reach 2.8 or 3.0. So follow me to the end of this very video so that you can fully get the information. Every part of this very video is very important, to stick in to the end. Like, subscribe, and as well share. So here we are. What is the fate of the Astar? Will Astar reach 2.8 or 3 USDT? Now follow me up, let's dive in. This Astar was launched a couple of days ago. It was launched at a very low rate, but to the glory of God, it has moved far more than the volume it was launched. Astar was launched at a low price of 1.2. It closed at 1.3. It went its all high time of 1.7 at the very day it was launched. It opened again at 1.2. Now look at this. Okay, so look at what exactly is showing here. You will see that Astar has been doing well from the very day it was launched, because it was launched at a reasonable volume, which was 1.2. It took a high movement at that very day to 1.79. That was a very rational move from the Astar that very day. Take a look at this. This was where it was launched. Okay, so along the line, it took some reasonable move. It took some reasonable move along the line and attained its all-time high of 2.4 for now. So the question now is, what is the fate of this Astar? Will this Astar reach 2.8 or 3 USDT? But from the move currently, it will definitely get there. Okay, from the move currently, it will definitely get there. Do you know why I said so? It moved from 1.9 here and took a high of 2.18, close to 2.2, and moved down again but never got into this. Okay, and then it's arranging to rain again. You can see here, it's arranging to rain again. This is Astar for you. This is Astar for you. And this Astar is a coin with a very strong momentum. It's a coin that also attracts a lot of investors. So I am looking towards this coin to get to 2.8 in a soon time, or 3 USD. So all you just need to do is to make your own personal research, look at the whole process and what it holds, and invest on it for a reasonable profit in the nearest future. So let's dive into coin market cap to see what exactly is going on there. I usually use coin market cap because it always provides the full information about a particular cryptocurrency coin. Now look at this. See its current price here is dangling within here. It has the total market cap, and this is its movement for the past 24 hours. You can look at its all-time high here, which is as of today. As of today, it's all-time high, and this is its all-time low. Okay, the total market cap of this very Astar is this, over 3 billion. Okay, the fully disputed is this. The total Astar supply is this, the maximum supply. The total supply is here. The all-time low, you can see. And the ranking is what? Is ranking 37 in the whole crypto industry. So this information shows that this coin will definitely take a move in its own time. Where can you buy Hamster? You can buy Astar on Bybit, Gates.io, BingX, Binance, and many more of them. Here is its yield per these 24 hours. You can take a look at there to see a total unlock of 120. Now let's look at it bullish. Its community sentiment, which is over 70%, and the bearish is only 27%. This is a good one, and this shows that this particular coin will move well, and in its own time there will be a lot of profits with it. Let's look at some of those reviews from the traders. They say Aster is the native token of Aster DEX, a new generation DEX. Below are 4 important things to know about. Now look at it. Okay, its founders, utility, what is Aster exactly, and tokenomics. Maybe we should look at this. The network minority display. You stroke all down and see what exactly is going on with the Astar. It says trading and swapping. Astar for USDT, let me earn extra reward while I trade. With 46,000 Astar up for grabs. It's a cool way to make your tokens work. You can see. Take a look at it. A lot of people are talking about. And what is the community talking about it? The community is showing that this Astar is bullish. What about the market? Looking at the market of Astar, you can see liquidity on Binance. Okay. And all the rest. So from all this, it shows that Astar is still having a very strong backbone because it's traded in a lot of exchanges. The CoinStore, the Pancake, the Bybit, the Binance, a lot of them are trading this Astar. This shows that it's a good coin with a strong momentum. Okay, we'll look at the news. If you come to the news side, you can look at those news and see what exactly those news are talking about. For you to find a guarantee of this particular coin before you choose to invest your money in it. And do not invest more than you can lose, because if you invest too much and it went opposite to your own predictions, it might not be cool with you. So do not invest more than you can lose. But the only people that are going to make a rational profit here are the people that invest without fear. Okay? And the people that invest without fear. You can take a look at the token unlocks. The unlock event October 16 and the water view. So before this October 16, there's going to be a wonderful movement with Aster. Then from then, you can take off your profit and be fine with it. But should you invest and something goes wrong, if it went opposite to your predictions, do not quit the trade, because a lot will follow and there will be a rational profit with it. Okay, so watch this coin carefully. Watch the coin carefully, because in its own time I hope that the coin will take a rational movement. So this brings me to the end of the video. If you do find value from this amazing video, do not forget to like, share this video so that a lot of people can also gain value from it. Subscribe if you haven't done that, do not forget. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. If you do have any question, let's see at the comment sections. My community is also open. You can join with just a few fees, and let's move on. Thank you. Bye.